Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Holmes, and it is time for Fundations. Today we're doing Unit 14, Week 2, Day 1. And today we're going to be working on reviewing some sounds, some words, and writing a few sentences. Let's begin with our long A sounds. So get your iPad or your whiteboard or your paper ready, whichever it is that you use, and I want you to write on the first line, long A, because that's the sound that we're going to begin with. So echo me. A, acorn A, and write that sound. And the next one, A, I bait A, and circle the double vowel. And then remember, boys and girls, that you may pause the video at any time if you need to. The next one, A, safe A. I like to say this is A consonant E, but it's A safe A. And finally, AY play A. And we circle that one because it is also a double vowel. There you go. Make sure you have all of those sounds. All right. Next group. Next slide or next line on your paper. Okay, the next one we're going to do are the sounds of owl. The sounds of owl. For example, the first sound is O-W, plow, ow. So write O-W, O-W, plow, out, and that is a double vowel. And we also have O-U, trout, ow. And those two sounds make the sound of ow. Okay, next line. Let's do the R-controlled sounds of R-controlled. Now, it's not the sound of R, It's the sound of I know it sounds the same, but it's the R-controlled vowel sounds. IR, bird, And let's write R-controlled. C-O-N-T-R-O-L-L-E-D. R-controlled. So let's label these. Pause the video if you need to. R-controlled. Okay. IR, bird, UR, burn, ER, her, Okay. There's our ow sound and our R controlled sounds. Pause the video if you need more time. All right, erase. All right, let's go through some sight words, or trick words, I guess they're called. Here's the first one, echo me. Bought, brought. Echo me. Whoops, sorry. Monday, thought. Tuesday, peace. Every. Saturday, different. Thursday, Wednesday, learn, answer. Nice job, boys and girls. All right, our very first trick word that we're going to work on today, we're going to work on these two words together. The first word we're going to work on is the word bought. I bought some candy at the store. Now, I want you to notice the only difference in these two words is what? Yeah, it's this R in brought. It has that blend there. But bought doesn't have the beginning blend. So if you can spell bought, you can spell brought. It's just one letter difference. So let's do bought to begin with. B O U G H T. B O U G H T. The OU is tricky because it makes the sound of short O. Let's go ahead and put our B. Ah. The OU says ah, short O. So you put the breve up above. And then the GH is actually silent. And you just put the T sound. The GH is silent. I'll cross that out. So it's B-A-T. That's how it sounds, but that's not how it's spelled. Now, use a different color. If you're using pencil, you might want to use a crayon. That would work. Bought, let's spell it. B-O-U-G-H-T. Bought. Now let's write the word bought 2 times. Bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. Nice job. Notice my handwriting looks good. Yours should too. B-O-U-G-H-T. Now, when you're ready to move on, this time instead of bought, we're going to write the word brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Brought. All right, so let's do the mapping. Here's B. Whoops, I started to trace it. Makes B, Let's go ahead and put the burr, the blend. Burr, ah, short O. The OU makes a short O sound. And then the GH is silent. And we make the T sound, the T sound. Brought. 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 All right, let's trace over brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. You may pause the video if you need to. And let's go ahead and write the word brought 2 more times. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Brought. Pause the video if you need more time. Next word. Now, if you're on your next slide or next paper or on your next erasing your board, any of those is fine. Okay, our next word that we're going to look at is the word peace. Now, this isn't peace like nobody's fighting. It's peace as in I got a piece of pizza or a piece of pie. Yum. Okay, peace. Now, you'll notice on peace, peace, you hear it as there's 3 sounds. P-E, you don't hear the I, S, you hear an S sound. So let's write it out. P-I-E-C-E, peace. P-I-E-C-E. Now let's map it. I have the sound of P. Oops, here we go. P. E, the I is silent, so the IE makes the long sound of E. P, E, S. The C makes the sound of S, and the E is silent. P, E, S. P, E, S. All right, let's trace over the word piece. Piece of pie, piece of cake. P, I, E, C, E. Sometimes when something is easy, someone will say it's easy as a piece of cake. Piece. Okay, let's write the word piece 2 times. P, I, E, C, E. Piece. P, I, E, C, E. Piece. If you need more time, you can pause the video. All right, nice job, boys and girls. Now, let's move on. We are going to spell a couple of words. Here we go. Here's the first one. Echo me. Candy. Candy. First syllable, can. Second syllable, D. Candy. Now, this one doesn't have the sound. It does have the long sound of E. K, an, can. Put your dot. D. And the Y makes the sound of what? Long E. And first syllable, second syllable. We have 2 consonants and a short vowel in the center. So we say that is closed. And D at the end, you hear the vowel. So that is open. Candy. C-A-N-D-Y. Write the word 2 times. Candy. C-A-N-D-Y. C-A-N-D-Y. All right, next slide, or erase, or new line. All right, our next word, echo me. Shower. I took a shower this morning. First syllable, show. Second syllable, shower. Okay, let's begin. Shh. Oh, let's tap it out. Show, sh, ow, sh, ow, There's actually 2 syllables. Show, sh, sh, ow. Ooh, do you think it'll be O-W or O-U? It's in the middle of the word. Shower. Which one would look right? Try it out. Check Siri if you need to. That's right. It's O-W. Shower. All right. Shall. Scoop it. And the E-R is an R-controlled syllable. Shall, you circle the O-W, underline the digraph. And that one is shall, a double syllable word. I guess I've got a tail on my D there, don't I? Shower. Okay, good job. New slide, erase, or next line. Okay, here's our first sentence. Echo me. Every boy bought a piece of candy. Every boy bought a piece of candy. Okay, every, that's an old trick word. E-V-E-R-Y. Every boy, boy. Every boy bought, ooh, we just practiced this one, bought, B-O-U-G-H-T. Every boy bought, if you need to pause the video, go ahead. Every boy bought a piece Well, we just practiced this one. Piece. Every boy bought a piece of candy. Of of candy. And oh, we just practiced this one. Dy. Every boy bought a piece of candy. Well, that's all for today, boys and girls, and I will see you next time.